Okay, today in the shop we have a little extraction we got to do. My trusty little blow tool here. I dropped it on the floor of the shop, and here's the end of it. But you can see it's snapped off up here, and I got my tool in the vise here. It's snapped off right there. So, and I really love this little gun here. So we got this little screw extractor kit from Napa. Let me show you. This is it here, part number 2419, spiral screw extractor kit. And I hope this gets it out, because I really don't want to buy a new gun. We're probably going to need this biggest size here, I'm sure. Alright, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to take this screw extractor here, and I'm going to set it in there. And then what I'm going to do is take a hammer. You don't need to slam it down in there, but you do want to get it to go in so that these teeth dig in. Alright, now it seems to be tight. So, and I've used these extractors in the past, but mostly on like screws, never on this. So now we want to try to turn this to the left, get this out. That's the way the teeth are designed, that's how they grab. So, oh man, tell me that's not going to come out. Oh, it either broke or it just gave way. Let me see. Oh, yes, it's turning. Sweet. Oh, now it came loose in the vise. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, it was coming loose out of the vise, but it's turning, and there it is. So now the fun part, you can see, got it out of there. The fun part may be getting this thing off of here. Don't know how easy we're going to get that off the extractor. I may have to cut it off with the Dremel. Hopefully not. The vise here. Oh, there it goes. We got it. Voila. It did its job. And that's it. That's my tutorial. So if you have a broken air tool as I did, you want to get this from Napa, part number 2419. It is a spiral screw extractor kit. Napa Service Tools. Alright. Hopefully this helps somebody out. But please hit subscribe below, give me a like, and see you guys tomorrow.